Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Nocella, and by the end of this video, you should be able to determine the inverse of a function. So we are given this function, and we're told that it's 1-to-1, so therefore we can find its inverse. So what we're going to do is, first, we know that f of x can be replaced with y, so we know that y is equal to 2x over the quantity x minus 1. So in order to find the inverse, what we do is we replace the x and y variables, so we just switch them out. So we're going to write this as x is equal to 2y over y minus 1. Now our goal is to get y by itself. So our first step is we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by y minus 1. So we're going to have on the left-hand side, after distributing, we'll have xy minus x is equal to 2y. Next, we want to get our y's together on one side of the equation, so we are going to subtract xy on both sides. So we will be left with negative x is equal to 2y minus xy. We are going to isolate y by factoring a y out of the right-hand side of the equation. So we have negative x is equal to y, what's left inside the parentheses is going to be 2 minus x. And last but not least, to get y by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 2 minus x. So we are left with y is equal to negative x over 2 minus x, which means the inverse of this function is equal to negative x over 2 minus x. Now, depending on your order of operations, and at this step, if you would have moved the x over and moved the y over, depending on how you did that, you may have also come up with an equivalent function, which would look like this. So f of x is equal to x over x minus 2. These are both equivalent functions. It's just you're distributing the negative sign either to the numerator or the denominator. Nice work.